Okay, so we're up the mountain a little bit. This is San Antonio, and there's a San Antonio National High School over there. And if you come to this Sari Sari, which is at a convenient location in San Antonio, you can meet a dog named Duterte. Duterte. He's very maldito. He's very maldito. Duterte. This is Duterte. He's the boss. Duterte, come here. Come here, Duterte. It's okay. It's me. He's very maldito. Okay, we're further back in the hinterlands of San Antonio, and there's actually a house and lot for sale here. Yeah, house and lot. And that's actually an old type of native house, and I'm gonna do my research and put in the subtitles what kind that is. That's pretty cool. That's a lot of work right there. House and lot for sale, San Antonio. It's laundry day in San Antonio. Okay, so we're back here. I think this is where the witch doctor is. Actually, I shouldn't say witch doctor. San Antonio is a very famous site for medicine men, faith healers, shamans, whatever you want to call them. They also call them folk healers here. And every year they have a big symposium. They have a convention, if you will, up here in the mountain where they get together and they make all their potions and they do their thing. And I came up here before and I got a love potion, but I don't think it worked. So we're just here to check things out and see what's up, because they were very nice people also. What's your name? Okay, Aaron. Aaron's in charge. He's our guide. Aaron Baloo. This is it. And we got ready for sacrifice. All right, here we go. Let's do this. Is it okay if we film? Is video okay? Ayo. Okay, so this guy's legit. He's got all his certificates. I've seen this before. And there's some potions here. And there's money. So, need some cash. So, yeah, so this is the folk healer. His name is Vicente. He's very famous here in Siquijor. And this is his dutiful daughter. And together they are a team. And I was here before with somebody else and it didn't work out. So I'm asking for a refund on my love potion. No, I'm kidding. It's joke long. I don't want a refund. But what we'd like to do is perhaps to get a reading, to get fortune telling type of thing. Is that available? To see if we're compatible and to see if we're destiny and to see if we're meant for each other. Okay, we gotta go in here. He's getting his eyeglasses in order to see my wrinkly palms. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so far I have crocodile hands. I don't have crocodile hands, which is indicative of healthy children. And I also am supposed to live a long time. So things look at long life. Things are looking pretty good. Okay, so I'm done. Now Chichai's getting done. And he determined that we're gonna have 2 kids. Can't tell if the first one's a boy or a girl. I got good business and things have been going pretty good. And my wife has a nice body. I don't know how that's determined. But that's where it stands now. Wala siya kabalug Bisaya. Well, we just got some bad news. Chichai does have crocodile hands, so it doesn't bode well for healthy children. So it's over. I'm gonna pay my money and I'm out of here. I need better breeding stock. We're trying to figure out if we're destiny or not. Compatible. Compatible. I don't know how to say it in Bisaya. Should this be my asawa?
Okay.
Is this my destiny?
If I will not gonna leave you, so we will be together.
Okay, so it's up to you. It's bahala ka.
Yeah, it's up to me.
Okay, so you make the determination. Okay, that's
Be a good man always, so that I will not gonna leave you.
okay. All right, I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Okay, so we just got our fortune told, and it looks like we're compatible. It seems like she's gonna live a lot longer than I am, so that wasn't no big surprise. That wasn't really rocket science that he put together there. Think whatever you want about, you know, fortune telling and faith healers and folk healers and all that stuff, but it's basic, and you know they expect some monetary remuneration, and it's money going to a good cause. It's money going into the local communities here. San Antonio is not exactly the wealthiest barangay in the Philippines, so it's money well spent. Yeah, things are looking good. Okay, so the one issue we did have with the fortune teller was I'm supposed to have 2 kids, but Chicha is having 3 kids. And we're not sure how that was going to work out, but I think it has something to do with longevity. Someone's lifespan has a lot more than somebody else's. Taking pictures of me, take the video of you. Nice. All right, back on the road. About 20-25 minutes past San Antonio, you go further up the mountain and you hit this road, and it's really a rough road, and there's a lot of foliage down on both sides, and it's really jungly, and you gain elevation and it gets cooler and cooler and shadier, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This is Bandilaan Forest ecosystem, and established in 1938, a project of the Department of Environment and National Resources, the DENR. Saving our forest is everybody's concern. And it says 271 hectares, but it's got to be bigger than that because it's big. Right now, we're right about here. And we're heading up this way. And we're going to be hitting the butterfly sanctuaries, all the tower, stuff like that. And it's just really nice. And you hear mourning doves, all kinds of crazy foliage, giant ass trees. It looks like they're building something down there. It looks really nice. I don't know what it is. Maybe we should try to find out. But I'm not that adventurous. So yeah. Bandilaan, di ba? Ganahan ko kabluug Bisaya pero lisod kaayo. Very nice. And in this forest, you can find really cool stuff, like this tree, which is wrapped around another tree, and it seems to have another tree growing up, and it's all come together, and it's freaking huge. Huge. So we're near the top of the peak, the highest point on Siquijor, and there's an observation tower. Unfortunately, it says temporary close. So what are we gonna do? It's the Philippines. People don't really follow rules and regulations and guidance. So we're gonna go up and check it out anyways. Wish us luck. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? Dun, dun, dun. Also, there's Stations of the Cross. All the way up here. Got some foliage that's fallen. We'll continue on. It's way up there. Okay, so we've gotten to where the tower used to be. And you see all these blocks, they have to have these concrete blocks when it rains and it's muddy, it's so slippery, it's insane. But it looks like the old tower's gone. Looks like it's out of stock. And they're putting in footings for what looks like another tower. And you can see some of the old beams from it over here. Over there. On the way up, it looked like they've been having some mudslides and stuff because they lost some of the concrete blocks. So maybe something happened with the old tower, but it is gone. But yeah, I used to come up here and there'd be a big, huge metal tower that you'd climb up and you could see a beautiful view, panorama view, all around Siquijor. but not anymore. Like everything, when something falls or gets wrecked or destroyed, or there's a natural catastrophe, Filipinos just shake it off and build another one. And that's what they're doing here. These are the guys that are working over there, just guarding the construction site. All right, so it's off to the next thing. I guess butterfly garden's next. Hopefully all the butterflies haven't fallen down. You gotta work with what you got. I don't know what this is. All right, we're off again. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.